The court is now in session. We are here to hear the case of James, accused of stealing confidential company documents. The charges are serious and must be handled with care. I ask everyone to speak clearly and honestly. Defense attorney, you may begin.
Your Honor, my client is innocent. There is no clear evidence against James. He has always been a loyal and responsible employee. This charge arose from a misunderstanding, and today we will show that.
Thank you. Now we will call the witness to speak. Please state your full name for the record. Remember, you must speak only the truth, nothing but the truth.
My name is Robert. I worked in the same office as James. On the night the documents disappeared, I was there. I saw him near the manager's desk. That's why I thought he might be involved.
Mr. Robert, I want to understand clearly. Did you see James touching the documents or just walking around the office? There is a big difference between being present and stealing something. Can you explain clearly?
I didn't see him take anything with my own hands, but he was there, near the table. The way he looked around seemed suspicious to me. He seemed to be hiding something. That's why I suspected him.
So you did not see a crime happening. You are only talking about an impression, a personal feeling, not proof. You know that accusations without evidence can destroy lives, right? I ask that you only respond to what you actually saw.
Order in the court. The witness must stick to the facts. No assumptions. Every word here carries weight. We may proceed.
Mr. Robert, I want to remind you of what you said to the police. In that statement, you claimed that James was not holding anything, but here it says he seemed to be hiding something. Which of the two versions is true? Are you absolutely sure of what you saw?
Maybe I overreacted now. That night I was tired. I worked many hours straight. I remember him passing by the table, but I didn't see anything in his hands.
So you are confirming that there was no direct action. James just happened to pass by the location. This is not proof of theft. Being near a table does not imply guilt. Do you agree with me?
Yes, it's true. I just got suspicious. Maybe I misunderstood the scene. I cannot assert that he took the documents. I didn't see that happen.
Your Honor, it is clear that we do not have real evidence. The witness only described an impression, not a crime. My client was in the building, but that proves nothing. He had normal reasons to be there. Accusing someone without evidence is unfair.
Witness, the lawyer is correct. Your words show uncertainty. You did not confirm any illegal act. You merely reported a presence. This is insufficient for a conviction.
Thank you, Your Honor. James's life cannot be destroyed by assumptions. Justice demands clarity, not fear. I ask that this court acknowledge the lack of evidence and protect an innocent.
After hearing all sides, the truth is clear. There is no solid evidence against James. A man cannot be judged by impressions. Justice is based on facts, not suspicions. Therefore, I declare this case closed. And now I want to know from you, who have been following this session, were you able to understand the conversation in English? Leave your answers in the comments. What did the witness say they saw? Did the defense attorney believe that James was guilty or innocent? What was the judge's final decision? Write in English in the comments and practice your writing. Your answer can help other people learn too.